How to post Instagram stories on your desktop. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how you can post Instagram stories on your desktop or laptop. So let's get started. So first of all, you will have to open a browser on your system. So I'm opening Chrome browser, and from here you'll have to search Instagram and log into your Instagram account. Okay, so I have logged into my Instagram account here. After that, you'll have to right click on this Instagram section, and you'll have to move with the options like inspect, like it will appear on this last section. So simply click on this inspect option. Okay, so like you can choose the device ratio from here. I will select the iPhone 14 Pro. Okay, you can adjust the size from here. Okay, so after you do this, you have to refresh it from here. So simply click on this reload option. So now we have opened the Instagram mobile view on our desktop. So simply from here, you can add the stories on your story section. So simply you have to click on this your story section. All right. So from here, you can select the photos whom you want to add on your stories. So like I will choose this picture from here. Okay. Okay. So look, here is no any options, like you can got the options to adjust the frame of this picture. So you have to direct post it from here. So this is the demerits from here. So on the other hand, you can add the text from here, or you can add emojis or draw from here. So after you're done from here, you will have to click on this add story option just at the bottom of the section. So simply click on this add story option. Okay, so it's uploading. So now we are done. The photo has been added to my stories on Instagram. So after this, you'll have to edit this inspect view. So simply for that, you have to click on this cross section. Okay, so from here, I can view the story I have been shared. So simply after clicking on this. Okay, so as you can see, I have successfully posted this picture to my laptop. So likewise, you can also upload the Instagram stories from your laptop or desktop. So hope this video was helpful to you. And please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.